Hi everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel. This is Koyena, and in today's video I am going to share a mini book fair vlog. So this is the Kolkata Book Fair where I'm going, which is happening at Central Park, Kolkata from February 28th to 13th March. I went there with my mother. The blue one is my mother, and you will be seeing her in most of my clips. So this is not a guide, as there are a lot of videos available on the internet as guide on book fair. So I went there with my mother, as she's also a book lover, and the good thing about a book fair is from 6 to 80 anyone can enjoy the books of their choice. The theme of this year's book fair is Bangladesh, and there are stalls from all different countries, which I have explored, but I have unfortunately lost the clips. So coming here, this is the hall, and in here are a lot of collections of all types of books from all genres. So coming out from hall 1, there is this beautiful sitting arrangement. This is not arrangement, this is permanent. We took some pictures over there. I also posted a story on my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, please do follow the desk of a law student. Also, we went there pretty early. That is why there isn't much people. But in peak hours, there isn't any place to, step in. This is a newspaper stall article, and they have shown the pictures of famous personalities whom we have lost this year. This fairground is a huge place, and we spent there 4 hours walking and finding out bookstalls. We even took a small break, lassi break. And then again, this is Rupa Publishers. I also went there and bought some books. Also in today's video, I haven't shared a book haul. I guess I'll be doing soon, bit later, but definitely will be doing that as well. Also, I'll post more videos. I have 2 videos already in my gallery, but I couldn't edit or upload them. I will surely do. These are a few of the pictures that I took there, and this is it for today's video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye, take care.